Gusto mo ng bahay na hindi mo na kailangang pag-agawan? Good news, no bidding to. Basta walang kasabay, sa'yo na agad. Bank foreclosed property, single attached, inner lot, Barangay San Francisco, General Trias, Cavite. As is where is, 40 to 50% below market value. Property details, lot area 102 square meter, floor area 75 square meter, 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Malaki ang lote, pwede ka pang mag-extend, mag-garden or magdagdag ng parking in the future. Selling price 2,418,450. Payment terms 5% reservation fee 120,922.50. 5% down payment installment up to 4 months 120,922.50. Total 10% equity is 241,845. Remaining 90% via bank home loan. Sample computation, estimate only, loanable amount, 2,176,605 if 20 years bank loan at approximately 7% interest, estimated monthly amortization around 17,000 to 19,000 per month. Estimated required household income around 55,000 to 65,000 per month, subject to bank approval. Bank fees and transfer of title not included. Bakit sulit to? Single attached, hindi masikip, 102 square meter lot, maluwag kumpara sa ibang townhouse, bank foreclosed, below market price, no bidding, hindi ka makikipagtaasan ng presyo. Pero tandaan, once may naunang mag-reserve, mawawala agad to. Free house tour plus complete assistance, tutulungan ka namin from viewing hanggang bank approval. Message us now bago maunahan. Reminder, hindi ito bidding. Pero paunahan pa rin. Kung gusto mo siguraduhin na sa'yo mapunta, act fast.